Hi there, everyone. Today I will be doing another elephant toothpaste experiment, but a little bit hopefully ramped up if this actually gets submitted. We have a bottle of soap. I hope that kind of works. A container. This is a lot of stuff you need. A plastic bottle. At least a tablespoon measurement thing. Some food coloring, optional, and hydrogen peroxide and yeast. And I will list the ingredients also in the description of this video. So let's get to work. Hold on. That's still recording. That is very, very good. So guys, now I will start working on these video. I'm wondering how much hydrogen peroxide I need. I need 1/2 cup. Hold on. Okay, so guys, apparently I just made a kind of stupid move. Okay, so anyway, I have the glass. I pour 1/2 of a cup of hydrogen peroxide in. I'm assuming it is right, that marking right there. You can see that. Going to pour in 1/2 cup. Raise it so I can see it, and so can you. Sheesh, this is a lot. Okay, that's a lot of hydrogen peroxide. Very much needed, though. Okay, so now that that's done, then I need to add, hold on. There we go. Then I need to add 8 drops of the food coloring I want. In this case, it's gonna take a while because I only have gel. So I'm just gonna pause for a second. There we go. Okay, so guys, now I got approximately 8 drops food coloring. I don't actually know if it's 8 drops. It won't. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, just gonna swish it around a little bit in there. Okay. Holy cow, that is turning orange. Very, very orange. I might have put in too much. If you guys are wondering, I do have COVID, unfortunately. So, yeah. Okay, that's good for now. I'm gonna try. Okay, that is good for now. I will just set that aside. Next, I need about 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap. See you in a minute. Okay, so guys, I finally figured out how to take off the lid to my dish soap. So I'm gonna pour in approximately 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and yeah, I'm just gonna hope I don't have to make it up. Gonna pause real quick. Okay, so guys, I am now ready. There is now some food coloring, a 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and 1 full tablespoon of dish soap in here. I don't know, in there, guys. Okay, hold on. Gotta adjust my camera. Okay, so then it says to in a separate small cup. Hold on. Okay, so guys, now it said in a separate small cup, add the warm water. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so guys, I estimated 3 tablespoons of water. Now I will get the yeast into the cup somehow. Because I accidentally did everything opposite. Hold on. Okay, so guys, I finally got the yeast open. Now I'm gonna try and mix it into my bottle, and I spilled so much yeast. Okay, trying again. Hold on, guys. Okay, got enough yeast. Now I'm gonna mix it for 30 seconds. Okay, so guys, I now have my yeast mixture, and now it is finally time to make the thing work. I might pause the video and redo it all if it goes wrong. Okay, ready, guys? Okay, never mind. Woo! Also, did you know that this can reach 200 degrees Fahrenheit? Thanks, Mark Rober, for that fact. That's kind of cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, probably didn't get the full experience for you guys. It feels so weird. It kind of looks like the stuff from Incredibles 2 when they inflate the baby. That is so weird. Just don't ever eat this, even if it does look tasty. I don't even know if it can cause minor symptoms to death. It's so weird. Okay, now I'm gonna try and do it again, but better. I might have to trim a bit of this video because I have to go knock on a door with my feet. Let me help. Okay, so guys, I just washed out everything. I'm gonna try and replicate what I did in the previous round, but in reverse containers. Okay, so guys, I now reversed it. It's really messy now, but it should work a tiny teensy weensy bit better. This is where all the normal stuff is, and this is the yeast container. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Ah, there's where the color comes in. I mean, it's kind of cool how it's all nice and streaky. Didn't go exactly as planned, though. Yeah, pretty cool. Hope to see you guys soon. I might make a new gaming channel soon. Also, guys, so that's something to take into mind. Yeah, bye.